Hello, good evening. Welcome to our channel Yushi Talks. And today we are going to talk about Education Secretary Betsy DeVos' resignation and why did she resign. Please be with me for the entire duration of the video because we are going to bring up important details about the news. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead and press that subscribe button. Okay, so let's get going. Education Secretary had been a longtime supporter of President. Education Secretary Betsy DeVos resigned, citing Trump's rhetoric in Capitol riot. She is the second cabinet level official to quit after Chow. U.S. Education Secretary Betsy DeVos submitted her resignation on Thursday, becoming the second member of President Donald Trump's cabinet to quit over the riot by his supporters at the U.S. Capitol. In a letter addressed to Trump, she squarely laid the blame for the mayhem in Washington at the feet of the president, who encouraged the mob before they marched to Capitol Hill on Wednesday afternoon as both houses of Congress prepare to certify Joe Biden's electoral college victory. There's no mistaking the impact your rhetoric had on the situation, and it is the inflection point for me, she wrote. She also wrote that impressionable children are watching all of this and they are learning from us. DeVos, 62, is among several Trump officials to resign in the wake of the rampage, including Transportation Secretary Elaine Chao, who also stepped down on Thursday. DeVos had been one of Trump's most stalwart supporters and, along with Chao, one of the longest serving members of his administration. But she has recently distanced herself from the president, acknowledging that Biden had won the November 3 election, even as Trump continued to make false charges that the votes had been rigged. In a letter which was released by the Department of Education, she highlighted what she called the administration's many accomplishments, including her push to reopen schools amid the coronavirus pandemic, which many educators and public health officials had opposed. Mr. President, I know with certainty that history will show we were correct in our repeated urging of and support for schools reopening this year and getting all of America's students back to learning, she wrote. But she also added that we should have be highlighting your administration's many accomplishments on behalf of the American people. Instead, we are left to clean up the mess caused by violent protesters overrunning the US Capitol in an attempt to undermine the people's business. Impressionable children, she said, are watching all of this and they are learning from us. DeVos was appointed to the cabinet post despite her lack of experience in education policy. She favored school choice, virtual programs, and charter schools, much to the dismay of teachers' union and liberal education activists. She is married to former Amway Corporate President Dick DeVos and is the sister of Eric Prince, the founder of the private military contractor Blackwater USA and a Trump ally. So that's all we have in news today in regards to Betsy DeVos' resignation. Please keep watching this space for more details and let me know in the comment section how am I doing. Thank you for watching me and you have a wonderful evening. Bye bye.